Friends, I figured out how to use this eye stamp wing pen from Imethod, and everyone has their own unique way of doing it. Here I am looking in my magnified mirror, and as you look in the mirror, you want to look at the very corner of your eyes, at the very end of your lashes, and that's where you need to apply this stamp, but gently. Now, on the stamp pen, there's marked a left side and a right side. It's the L and the R. So the left for the left eye and the right for the right eye. Now you have the stamp and you also have the pen. They have a pointed side of the end of the pen, and it's more of a heavier side. And you just draw your liner, and that's all you have to do. Now this is going to take some practicing because I had got my left side better than my right side. So to get it even, sometimes you might have to keep doing it. So what I did, I didn't put any makeup on or anything yet. So before you put anything on, practice doing this if you're new, so that you won't have to keep taking off your eyeshadow and messing it up or whatever. So that's what I was doing. I wasn't trying to put on eyeshadow and everything else. I just wanted to do this and show you a tutorial that it can be done. Now with our method, I have the eyebrow wax, I have the lip plumping gel. So I love all their products, and I want to thank Miss Kayla for reaching out to me for this. Guys, the link to this will be in my description box. I'm telling you, it takes a little practice, but it's nice. It's well worth it. I like it. I apologize, friends, for the lighting. I just could not get that lighting to balance right. So some of this I had to go outside and let you see it more better in the light. Then when I came back inside, for some reason I didn't have the light on my phone. So that's why it was looking a little dark. Now you can wear this eyeliner stamp with or without any eyelashes, but I did it with the lashes, and I did a little bit. If you saw, I had the lash on the right eye and one I didn't have on the left eye. But overall, guys, I'm getting more used to it, and they have some great makeup for beginners like you and me and those who are learning, because I'm not good at drawing no wings. So this was a great deal. So I want to thank Imethod, Miss Kayla, for reaching out to me once again. And friends, please know that there's a link in my description box. Friends, just know that I'm not a makeup artist, and I can barely teach my own self. But little things that I do learn, I do try to help you with it. I want to thank Miss Michelle from Age Grateful. I just learned so much stuff from the group Keeping It Real Fun collab. So friends, there is my wing. So if I can do it, I know you can do it. So thank you so much. God bless y'all. And y'all, I will leave y'all some more videos for those that got time to watch more videos. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you're always welcome to share. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous day. Love you from Penny. Bye-bye.